Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill up a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We're going to get into this new discovery set that I got from Sephora. And it is KAYALI, the new Freedom fragrances. That's really kind of centered around like musk, I believe. The bottles are beautiful and pretty, but I decided this time not to get the $100 discovery set to smell them. I really want to get ones that I love or ones that I'm going to enjoy, and so I just decided to get the little pack to see which one that I want to get like a full bottle in, because I do plan on getting, because you all know my KAYALI collection is massive. Okay, I am a stan fan. So let's get into it. Let's see which one, let's rank. I haven't done a ranking in quite a while, so let's rank them. I'm gonna rank and we'll see which ones I enjoy and which ones I'm definitely gonna pick up. So yes, we have 4 new fragrances from KAYALI that does center around musk. So the first one I'm gonna smell is Freedom Musk Bouquet. Okay, so this has solar jasmine, ylang ylang, Turkish rose, praline, sandalwood, and vanilla musk. Okay, so if you see me looking down, I'm looking at the packet, and it does have the notes at the tippity top of this, and this is how it comes. So really cute, really cool to smell and to kind of get my thoughts on real quick. But if I were to, before I smell this, okay, if I'm just going off of the notes, I'm definitely seeing that this is a heavy floral fragrance. It probably, with the praline, I think maybe it has like a nuttiness or a sweetness to it, possibly with a woody base. Okay, so definitely heavy floral, maybe a sweeter, nuttier version with the floral and a woody background. Let's see what I get. Ooh, ooh. See, I haven't smelled it yet. Let's see. I definitely smell the floral. Okay. Ooh. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, let me put this on hand. There's 4 of them, so I have to be very careful. I'm gonna run out of hand. Let me see. Oh wow, that's pretty. Oh, okay. So this is a very pretty light bouquet, like very airy. That's a good word. A very airy floral type of fragrance. Oh, maybe that's the solar jasmine. Okay, because but it's very light. Getting a very light floral. And it does have like a sweeter, I don't know about nutty, but yeah, but I do smell like the praline, the sweeter kind of tackiness to it. And the wood, oh, that's very pretty. Okay, so if you are into floral fragrances with a lighter touch, with the musk, with like powderiness, ooh, you would love this. This is gives me very spring, very refreshing type of fragrance. Yeah, this is pretty. Very pretty, girl. Very light, very running through the daisies, or not running through the daisies, like running through a bed of roses or something like that. Yeah, it's giving me very fresh florals. Okay, that's it. Okay, moving on. So next up we have Freedom Musk Central, okay, 34. This one has pink pepper, so a little spiciness. Love that. We have sweet freesia, soft lily, orange blossom, okay, candied amber, and musk and tau. Okay, so I believe this is going to give me definitely a spicy floral, right? But this candy amber, I think it's going to give me like a sweeter, sexy musk, okay? This might be the diva. This might be the diva in the pack. She's giving me diva vibes, so let's test to see what's going on. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She is diva for sure. For sure. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I love that. Ooh, wow. Ooh, yes. KAYALI. Come on, Mona. Yes. Oh, that is a sexy musk. Oh, she is Spice Girl. Yes. Yes, diva. Okay, musk and towel. This is diva. Nah, diva is a female version of a hut. Like, this is diva. Ooh, that pink pepper. Oh. Ooh, she making me sweat. She making me blush. Ooh, girl. Okay. Okay. I see. We see each other. Yes. This is sexy girl. Okay. 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 Let's move on. Let's move on. Next up, we have Musk Matcha, okay? And this is 45. So, wow, it took them 45 times to get this right. Okay, come on through. So, matcha is in this. We have bergamot. We have oat milk. That sounds a little bit heavier, denser. We have praline. We also have sandalwood and sweet musk, okay? So, this to me is giving me matcha. When I think of matcha, that it's maybe green, maybe a green tea, because matcha's tea. So a green tea, citrus but dense, like a tea milk. I don't know about this one. This is giving me confused. But let's go. Let's see. And 45 times. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. 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 Now listen. Okay. Well, shut me up then. Just tell me to shut up and just smell. Okay, this might be, wow. I might have found a tea fragrance that I love. Wow. I actually enjoyed this one. Definitely gives me matcha, but it gives me a sweeter, creamier. I can smell like the cream, but that sandalwood or that wood, maybe even in the oat milk of it all, like, oh, it's needed. It's like, it's needed to round the fragrance almost in a sense. Okay, so my tea lovers out there. Now this is, I can see a man wearing this, actually. I can see this being unisex, to be honest. Yeah, I can see my brothers, my male cousins liking this. Now I would say, it's reminding me of something. I cannot put my hand on it, but it is giving me remnants of another kind of tea note fragrance. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but it's giving me something. I feel like it's actually giving me Replica, I believe, has like a matcha fragrance, and it's actually giving me that, but a little bit more sweeter. I think they have like matcha meditation, if I'm not mistaken, for Replica, and it's giving me matcha meditation, but it's giving me a more sweeter. I actually enjoy this more. Wow. Okay. All right, Mona. I see you, girl. I see you, KAYALI. I see what you're doing. Okay, let's move on. And last but certainly not least, the one that I was probably excited about most and wanted to like get the bigger bottle in this, but I wanted to try the Discovery set, but this is Musk Latte 41. So this has bergamot, pink pepper, we love that, Turkish rose, we love that too, cafe latte, don't mind that, cedar wood, and chocolate musk. Not just musk, but chocolate musk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This just sounds delicious. Okay, it sounds like gourmand heaven. It just sounds very delicious. I don't know. Like, I like a good latte. Y'all know I like fake coffee. So fake coffee all day with sugar and cream and all that. Like the things that I don't need. Ooh. I can smell you from here. I will say this is the most potent, like most heavier of what I smelled so far. That's like, wow, like this one instantly like, what's up? Oh, okay. Okay. She says she ain't come to play with me. What? You had something to say? You had something to say? Oh yeah, she is like speaking loud. This is projection, yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Interesting. Wow, that chocolate musk though. I smell that. You know what though? This definitely to me sits more, I don't want to say masculine, but I want to say close to masculine. It sits more on this like cologne type of fragrance. Like I can definitely see a man wearing this. Absolutely, 100% I can see a man wearing this. But I am not off put. Like I can also see a woman wearing this, but there's like this cologne aspect, and I don't know if it's the chocolate musk in this. Maybe it's the cafe latte. Maybe. But it's not as gourmand or deliciousness that I was going. It smells good, so don't get me wrong. It smells good, but it's not on that sweet tooth that I was thinking it was going to be. Oh wow, this surprised me. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I really can see more men wearing this one. I can see women, I can see you wearing this too, but I don't know. I can see a more man wearing this. Okay. Well, let's get into my ranking from 4 to 1. Okay, 4 being the lowest and 1 being the top. Let's get into it. So coming in 4th place, I would have to say would be the Musk Latte, which I am so surprised, like baffled. Okay, like I enjoy it. It's nice. but I don't know if it's me nice. Like, I don't know if this is for me. I can see my man wearing this. I could see me borrowing it from time to time to like have like maybe a deeper fragrance, almost like Velvet Central. You know how that I say that that's a deeper KAYALI fragrance, and you pair that with some other like maybe your light brights, your roses, your I don't know, anything like very girly girl, like anything that's very feminine forward. Maybe you pairing that with that, it kind of deepens it up. I kind of feel like the same way with this, but this might not be my scent profile, but I'm not saying that this is bad. It's just, I don't think that's her, okay? Coming in third place, I will have to give it to Musk Bouquet. Like, I feel like this is so pretty. Pretty girl. This is very beautiful. Like, I would purchase this if it's available. If we still have this a part of the collection, I would have to add this for like the springtime. I can't see myself really pulling for this right now in this season, especially where I live. But this is very pretty, beautiful, airy, floral musk fragrance. This is pretty. I would absolutely get this, just not right now. So that's why it would be number 3. Coming in the number 2 spot would have to be, which was surprising, the Musk Matcha. Like, I'm feeling this. This is actually, I've been struggling with a tea note fragrance. This might rock my world. This might be what I need for my life for a tea fragrance. So I'm definitely thinking about getting this and for number 2, but yeah, this is definitely number 2 and absolutely number 1 that has knocked my socks off. Miss Diva Sexiness, Miss Musk Central. I don't know if it's this Central DNA that she got going on. This is sexy. Whichever one. This is sexy. I love this. Okay, this will definitely have to be full bottle for me. I have to get it. I love the bottle. It's very brown and neutral and, kind of like the brown I have on now. Like, I am loving the bottle. I have to get this fragrance. I hope it's not sold out. I have not looked, but this one is my favorite one out of the 4. So Musk Central, top on the list 34 times. You all did it right. But yeah, this line is pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I love a good musk fragrance, and you all really captured different essence of musk. Like the things that I didn't know like musk could do. I'm like, oh, I'm shocking. So really good. I love the collection. I will not get them all, but I got to get that Musk Central for sure. Well, fam, that's my first impression thoughts. What have your thoughts been? What do you think about this new line? Do you love it? Do you like it? Do you like, not from me? Okay, I would love to know all your thoughts on this new Freedom line, okay? Well, until next time, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.